Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. I am B. Bharti, Social CRT, KGBV, Pamadi Mandal, Anantapur district. Students, we'll go to discuss about the lesson in new syllabus, 7th class in second lesson, forest. Okay, students, do you know forest? Okay, what is the forest? Yes, forest means large area covered with trees or shrubs in natural habitation in a particular place is called forest. What is use of forest, students? Yes, forest influence the amount of rainfall, soil development, regulation of streams, ecological balance and reduce pollution in industrial area. At the same time, forests are the natural habitat for animal and livelihood for human beings. We get raw materials like timber, bamboo, beedi leaves, products like honey also. Students, how humans are using the forest? Yes, people use the forest in many ways. There are the grazing of animals, sheep, goats, and some peoples practice the podu cultivation in the forest. Tribal people are living in forest in small habitation. Do you know, students, what is the podu agriculture? Yes, podu is a traditional system of cultivation used by tribes in India. The word comes from the Telugu language. Podu is a form of shifting agriculture using slash and burn method. Tribal people are living in forest in small habitation. Dear students, first let us learn about the climatic regions in the world. The world has several climatic zones, but geographers define the climatic regions based on temperature and precipitation. There are the 7 climatic regions in the world. That is, first one is tropical climatic region, the savanna, desert region, Mediterranean climate, the steppe and the taiga, and last one is tundra climate. Now first one is tropical climatic region. It is found between 5 degrees and 10 degrees north and south latitudes of the equator. This region gets heavy precipitation on an average 150 years. This region has the most favorable condition for the growth of trees. Okay, this zone with the dense forest is called selvas. It is one of the least populated areas in the world. The tribes inhabited in this region are Red Indians in the Amazon bison, pygmies in the Congo bison. Okay, these tribal people still lead a primitive lifestyle such as the hunting and poor agriculture. Okay students, next one is the savanna. This zone extends from 10 degree to 20 degree north and south latitudes of the equator. Natural vegetation turns into dense forest towards the equator and wide grassland towards the higher latitude. The people of this zone get their livelihood through cattle grazing. Okay. Next one is desert region. Now students, this type of location in 15 degrees to 13 degrees north and south latitudes on the western margin of the continents. Now this type of location in our India, now north side of our country. Okay, now that is Rajasthan location. The name was desert name is Thar Desert, the biggest Thar desert in our country. Natural vegetation in this region has thick barks and small leaves or no leaves. The biggest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. Okay students, this type of desert living the especially sheep, goats, camels, horse, which provide the milk, grains, meat and wool. Next, Mediterranean climate. These regions are located on the western margins of the continent except Antarctica. It has a pleasant climate with the characteristics of dry summer and moderate of high rainfall in winter. Natural vegetation in this region, a broadleaf evergreen comprising mainly of ovil, cork, oak. Commercial agriculture and drying up practiced in the large farms. Okay, the next one is the steppe. This grassland extends the extensive continental area. This semi-arid region have extremes of heat and cold. The low amount of rainfall restricts the natural vegetation in the grassland of scrubs. Extensive agriculture of practiced in this natural region. And next one is taiga. This type of region, this zone extend only between latitudes of 55 degrees and 70 degrees in northern hemisphere. This region characterizes the some of the highest climate difference in the world. This natural zone is covered with evergreen forest in the world, especially totally evergreen forest areas, this type of location. Okay, now last one is tundra climate. The tundra region stretch between the Arctic and polar region. Winter are long and bitterly cold. Advice: climatic conditions do not the support of this growth trees. People in this zone depend on the fauna for their food.